Okay, folks, so this is specifically for how to add a chapter, a blank chapter or a placeholder chapter. You will have to log in, again, go to the Rocket, log into Conductor, find your specific book. This Conductor page is where you're always going to want to be. Right here, you want to make sure you've opened the project link and you've already logged in, but we're today going to do big picture edits. You want to add a chapter, you want to add a page, you want to pull content over, you're going to go to the Remixer. If you are not already logged into your specific library, you will not see your book, so make sure you are logged in. I covered that in the last video. So once we're here, you'll notice we are logged into the Humanities Library. On the right, this is my book. On the left is all the content. If you want to add a new chapter, all you would do is click into your book where you want to be, hit the plus button. You'll notice it went down here at the bottom and it says New Page. Right now that is a chapter because it's a number, right? So say I want that to go here, and I want to double click on it, and I want to call this Rachel's new chapter. Right now it's an empty chapter. Okay, maybe within that, I'm going to click on it, okay, and because I don't like the double 14, maybe within that, I want to have a couple of blank pages, okay? So this one, maybe I want to talk about my love of dogs. Love of dogs. Okay, maybe this other one, I want to talk about my watercolor hobby. Okay, and then maybe I want to go over here to bookshelves, right? And I want to go to art. And in art, I want to go to Introduction to Art History. Okay, maybe I want to find something in ancient Egypt that I'm inspired by, and I want to pull over Middle Kingdom, and I'm going to put that underneath. Right now I made it a chapter, but if I want it to be part of chapter 14, okay, see how I just click and drag that? I made two blank ones, I made my own chapter, and then I pulled over content from the library panel as well. These will be blank. This one will be from the original book over here, all attributions already included. And this one is just a blank page that has a new number to it, all right? So it's all in there, but I haven't done anything yet. I haven't saved it. Only the stuff in black is saved. So you have to hit Save to Server, brings you to the Save Server page. You haven't saved anything yet. Hit Save to Server again. Watch it go, okay? See how it says failed? Anything that's red, be concerned, okay? But we'll see what happens. It's transcoding. It's looking good. It's renaming, okay? It says it's done. You can click Revise here to go back to the Remixer, or you can click Your new text will be available here, and that will bring you back to your book. And if we scroll down, you'll notice now, right here, Rachel's new chapter is here. And within that, you'll notice I have my love of dogs, which is going to be empty. You can go up here to the Edit in the dark gray panel, and just like a Word document, click and drag stuff in, type anything in you want, hit Save in the light blue panel, and it will show up. Hit Cancel if you don't want it saving. All right. For anything that you pulled in, though, remember we pulled in Middle Kingdom, right? It's going to pull in all that content that we already had, which means we don't have to author from scratch. Does the attribution for you at the end. Easy breezy, CoverGirl. It'll even do toggle to block level attributions. Absolutely amazing. Now, I'm going to say this a couple times. You are going to hit edit and you're going to come across a problem. You're going to hit edit. Oh no, content reuse. Oh no, I've broken it. You haven't broken it. Just hit cancel. Okay, discard changes. And this little fork button, just fork it, hit OK, and hit OK again. And theoretically, the little fork symbol will disappear. Okay, fork, OK, OK. And then refresh the page, and theoretically the fork symbol disappears and you can hit edit in the dark gray panel once you've done that. And then all this content is not plagiarism. You will be able to edit it. All right, so when we're talking about this content, the remixer is where you do the big picture stuff. That's where you add in new chapters, you add in new pages, and you're always going to do that from the conductor page. You're going to go to remixer. Okay, make sure you're logged into the Humanities Library, whatever library you're in. Scroll down, and then you're going to click on where you want. If you want to add a sub page to this, click on it and hit the plus button, and you'll notice it adds it at the bottom. Okay, you can always delete it by clicking on it and hitting the delete button. All right, and it's just the plus and minus buttons to open things up. All right, so right now we have a blank chapter down here that I don't want, so we're just going to delete it. And then we're going to go here and we're going to delete the new chapter because I don't want it, so we're going to delete it. All right, and you see how they're red? That means that as of right now, they're still live. So we hit save to server again. We watch it all go through. Okay, deleted, deleted, deleted. Your new text will be available here. And now you'll notice those are gone again. Ta-da! All right, and that is how you do remixing editing. And then if you need to do page editing, that is where you start at your conductor and you hit open project link. It's always going to be the same no matter what page you're on. It's the dark gray panel. You're going to hit this edit button right here. To edit, you have to choose what page you want to be. If you hit edit now, you are editing this massive front page. This right here is just code telling the page to show all of these different boxes. If you go into a chapter, you'll notice the exact same code when you hit edit. Okay? That is showing all of these boxes right here. You get rid of that, and literally all of these links will disappear. Okay? If that happens, don't worry. You can copy the code from anyone. It's the same and throw it back in, or you can reach out to me and I can walk you through it. Okay? Once you are in your chapters, say you want to click into something and you want to look at it. All right? Now, this page right here was written by somebody else. Okay? If I hit edit in the dark gray panel, it's not going to let me because it hasn't been forked. So if I hit fork and I hit OK, and I hit OK again, theoretically, it should disappear. Woo! See, it did. So now if I hit edit in the dark gray panel, now I can come in here and I can edit any of this content. If I want to add something in here because I don't think it was appropriate, do you see this red line that comes up? Just click the little box next to it when it shows up, hop down, and then I can add my content in. Rachel thinks this needs to be updated with X, Y, Z, right? And you can hit save to server, save, and that will save it, or you can hit cancel. All right, if you hit save, now we have added that in, okay? If you go down to the bottom, all right, once it's published, there will be an attributions toggle button here where you can click it and you will be able to see what I added and what was originally someone else's content. Now, if you made a mistake and you're like, oh no, I saved it, you can just go back up to options, version history, and revisit it. Or for something small like this, just hit edit again, go back in and delete it. Okay? So that's how you would do page level edits. So again, and hit save. Everything is going to start here at your conductor page. If you're making big changes, go to the remixer. If you're making page level, go to the project link. If you need to add a blank page or add a placeholder that then you're going to add other pages into, you have to do that in the remixer.